Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy. Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be bossy. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making homemade sweet potato pie. These are all the ingredients that we're going to be using today. We're going to start off with 3 large sweet potatoes. We need 2 large eggs at room temperature, a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. We're going to need sugar, unsalted butter, allspice, all-purpose flour, vanilla extract, cinnamon, nutmeg, and also a 9-inch pie crust. Okay guys, the first thing we want to do is bring some water to a boil, and we're going to rinse our sweet potatoes off. Then we're going to put them in the water. And we're going to let them go ahead and simmer for an hour and 20 minutes. So now you can go ahead and cover them up. Remember, they have to simmer for an hour and 20 minutes. Okay guys, as you see, I prepared a bowl with ice water in it. Our sweet potatoes are done simmering. So we're going to put them into the bowl of ice water for about 10 minutes so they can cool down. Okay guys, the sweet potatoes are done simmering. The way you could tell that they're done, go ahead and take a fork and see it pokes right through. So now we're going to go ahead and take them over to our ice water and let them cool down. Okay. I'm about to put the sweet potatoes in the ice water. Okay. All right. We're going to let them go ahead and cool down for about 10 minutes. Okay guys, as you can see, I started taking the skin off of the sweet potatoes. At this point, it comes right off. You shouldn't have any problem. So go ahead and take all the skin off of them. Okay, and go ahead and get all the skin off. All right, guys. There we go. All right, guys, now that the sweet potatoes are in the bowl, we're going to go ahead and remove the strings from them. We're going to mix them on medium-high for 40 seconds, and you should repeat it about 6 times until all the strings are removed. look right here, guys, you see all the strings. So we're going to go back in and do it once again. I'm going to go ahead and rinse them off. And I'm going to do this about 6 times until the strings are out. Alright, now that all the strings are removed, we're going to go ahead and add our 2 eggs. So you can go ahead and mix that on medium-high. You want to go ahead and take your spatula and just pull it from the sides of the bowl. Now we're going to go ahead and add our 4 tablespoons of the melted unsalted butter. You guys can go ahead and mix that. Right, guys. Now we're going to add the 3/4 cup of your evaporated milk. Now we're going to go ahead and mix that up. Get your spatula one more time. Let's pull everything in from the edges of the bowl. Okay. Now we're going to add our sweeteners, which is going to be a cup and 1/4 of sugar. So you guys can go ahead and mix that up. Alright, guys, now we're going to go ahead and put in our tablespoon of vanilla extract, our teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/8 teaspoon of allspice. So we're going to go ahead and empty that all in there. Try to get every bit of it. And you want to be careful at this point with all your spices not to add too much because they'll overpower the flavor of your pie. So we're going to go ahead and mix that all up. ahead and get my spatula. Bring that back down into that pie filling. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and mix it up a little bit more. Alright guys, I have one last ingredient, and this is optional. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. It's a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. This is going to act as a thickening agent, binding agent for the pie filling. So you can go ahead and add it now if you choose to. And we're going to go ahead and mix that all up. Alright guys, at this point, you want to go ahead and taste your filling and see if it's to your liking. If you need to add anything, this is the time to do it. Look how pretty this filling is, guys. It's perfect. So now at this time, you want to go ahead and set your oven to 350 degrees. You're going to get your pie crust, which I will be doing in 1 minute. And you're going to bake for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and pour this into my pie crust. I have enough here to make 2 pies. I'm going to go ahead and spread it out nice and even. I think I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay. All right. Here we go. Now, isn't that pretty? All right. This is about to go into the oven, which is set at 350 degrees. And remember, 1 hour and 10 minutes. Alright guys, here's the finished sweet potato pies. I was able to make 2 of them. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.